This is a quick overview of this AMZ Know Your Numbers workbook. Please note that this is not intended to be a replacement for a fully featured accounting software. However, if all you're looking for is a good way to track the profitability of your Amazon seller business without having to pay a monthly fee, then this workbook may serve that purpose for you. So what does it exactly do? It takes information like this, which is data that is downloadable from your Amazon Seller Central account, and summarizes it in a table like this, which is easier to follow and understand. But before we go through this table, the other things that you need to enter and provide a workbook in order to get the most out of its features is provide information on your inventory purchases, as well as information on your expenses outside of what you pay through Amazon. Okay, let's go back to that table. Basically, the data that you provide will be summarized on a monthly basis. You will have your gross sales, reimbursements, customer refunds, cost of goods sold, and various Amazon fees, including shipping, and also take into account a summary of your expenses for every month. And all those information then will be used to determine your net income before taxes. The other information that this workbook provides is a reconciliation between your sales proceeds, including reimbursements, to the cash deposits that you get from Amazon in every month. Now that's compared to what you spend on product inventory and your other expenses to provide you a net change in cash position. So basically, this metric tells you whether or not you are spending more than you're earning, and a cumulative tally of the change in cash position is also provided. Preferably, this would be positive numbers, particularly at the end of the year, because you'd want to know whether you're running a business that's providing value to you or just dragging you into debt. Now, the other feature, as mentioned previously, is that this will help you determine your cost of goods sold. It uses this formula right here, which depends on being able to value your inventory at the end of the month, and the remaining section of the workbook enables you to do that. Here you will be able to value your inventory regardless of whether the prices for your product acquisition changes throughout the year. There's actually a separate video that explains how this works, so we're not gonna go through that. But let's go back to the tab that we are on. The other part of this tab is a section on expenses. And here you can type and enter whatever category you want to look at. If you want to get an assessment of whether it's too high and you'd want to make a change in order to improve profitability. That's basically it as far as the main features of the workbook. A demo is available for you to play with and get more familiar with the spreadsheet before you make a decision whether you want to obtain a full working copy.